Well, hello there. This is Mass Mayhem number Help. We are working with Hannah's bag.
Playing
This
Tetris.
is Mom Susan here. Right here. Right here. Don't miss that. I'm just voting my favorite hoodie. This
Your
is
hoodie?
My hoodie.
Do you think it's going to be cold in October?
Yeah.
might be.
Yeah.
might be.
Because I'm this cold person. I'm really cold. And I snuggle up with my mom. Did help.
Hell.
Oh, I'm cold. When I eat, I probably not wear this, but I took it off. But we're gonna go get some breakfast. The first step we're going on the cruise, and we're gonna go get some lemonade.
Lemonade.
You know, I recall someone saying that they wanted pizza whenever they first got on the ship.
Yeah, but it went lemonade and pizza. Boom.
Boom.
Yes.
And which ship are we going on?
I don't know.
Paradise, right?
Yeah.
And it's what kind of cruise? 2.0.
Roll.
Oh.
Roll.
Yeah.
And then we come back and we go on Norwegian
Right there.
and getaway.
Getaway.
And
Okay.
guess what? The other twin is gone. Elijah. But this is Mass Mayhem Help.
Yeah, we got hair things and sunglasses and everything that
How
she
many
needs for
sunglasses does she have, baby?
the, 1, 2, 3, and then
Wait,
she
I
got
take
4,
it.
5, 6 that are
Is
in
my toothbrush in
cases.
here? Yes, my pink
7.
toothbrush.
7 pairs
Okay.
for a 6-day cruise,
Toothbrush.
just like her mom.
Because you gotta brush your teeth.
That's her travel
Yep.
toothbrush.
I just wanted to check if I had it.
Can you think of anything else that you might want to tell the people they need to pack?
You need to, if you have a dog children, make them pack her clothes, everything. Because that dog needs to be prepared for that cruise. And put it in your mom's, dad's, backpacks, anything. In your mom's and dad's suitcase, or in yours, or in your backpack. Kids, make sure you bring your dog clothes and food and water.
Doll
And so,
clothes. Okay.
Yeah, because she's taking
Let's
Renee.
see what's in the doll thing. I don't have any clothes for
Okay,
her.
just show them what's in there.
I just have
Her phone. The phone is an essential. See, so you can do some vlogging, right? Oh, I like the way you did that.
it just fixed that.
Mhm.
I
Okay,
made this one.
It's a fake phone.
This is her baby doll's thing.
And secondary fake phone in case this one dies, right?
Yeah, she has 3 phones, but I took one for her. And then she has some puppets of food. More
Oh, nice. So the doll has toys to play with?
no,
and
these are
food.
food.
And, oh, her food. Okay, okay.
She gotta eat.
Well, you know there's a buffet upstairs on the cruise ship, right?
No, she can't eat buffet because she's a dog.
Oh, okay.
Don't
Okay.
tell nobody. She whispered.
Don't tell nobody.
My bad.
Because she looks real, huh?
Well, she got a sandwich
Yeah,
and everything. Look
And
at
I'm
this.
I'm buying her clothes on Amazon with my dad's credit card.
Say it isn't so.
And that's it for her.
Mm.
Once the delivery comes, we'll probably be here when the delivery comes, and I just pack it. Me and dad, or me and mom will pack it. I think me and dad just pack it.
Mm-mm. It's Hannah and I.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Me and dad pack it. No, one at a time. There's only 3 things.
One at a time.
One at a time.
Wait, one for her clothes, one for... This is for the neck pillow. Wait, can it fit me?
For her baby doll.
Hey guys! I have a baby doll over there. Move. It's over there, just laying there. See? Bring it. See, it has this little stand I put it on.
Where's the baby you're taking?
The baby into taking is in the front room, bumping her head on the wall. I bumped her head on the wall.
Oh, what kind of mother are you? Dropping your baby on the wall.
I throw this neck pillow at you, ma'am.
So thank you for tuning in, guys. We enjoyed having you today. This is definitely Mass Mayhem. As always, like the video on the way out. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Never, ever forget, we love you, and we will see you on Booze Cruise 2.0. Tampa, we are so excited. Please join us as we travel along our cruise adventures. And as always, we love you. See you later.